Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
येरादारी खात्यान मोटर गाडयो आनी टू व्हिलर टॅक्सी खातीर नव्यो ट्रान्सपोर्ट एग्रिगेटर गायडलायन्स इश्यू केल्यात. येरादारी संचालक पोलोमतला अभिषेकान म्हायती दिली. इश्यू केल्ल्या नव्या गायडलायन्सा विशीं सुचोवण्यो दिवपाक संचालकान 30 दिसांची मुजत दिल्या.
In this solution, what we are trying to propose is to balance the need of a passenger's convenience with the need to ensure that the driver's earnings are also protected. Here, I would like to summarize 3 important highlights of the Goa Transport Aggregator Guidelines. The first condition for any aggregator to operate in the state of Goa is that they can aggregate only the taxis which are registered in the Goa and with a valid permit in the state of Goa. Secondly, all the drivers that the app aggregators aggregate should have a public service vehicle badge as per the Rule 4 of Goa Motor Vehicle Rules 1991. The third and the most important highlight of the Goa Transport Aggregator Guidelines is every aggregator who wants to operate in the state of Goa has to pay the driver the government notified fare and not even 1 rupee less than the government notified fare.
प्रुडंटा खातीर स्वप्नील तारी.